Hello, welcome back to my channel. Gotta turn the music off. To my channel. I'm here. I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. Today I have a wig review because that's what I do, a wig review. And I'm so excited about this wig. I scooped this up from Poshmark, but it's a newer wig, so I will link some links to where you can get it. Okay. And today I have one of my favorite companies. If you know it right now, put it right down below. Freetress equal. I say Freetress equal like. Anyway, this is Freetress Equal, and this is VIVIA. It's part of their 5-inch lace part. I have a whole lace parting playlist. I love the Freetress Equal lace part wigs. They're lickety split, scoobity doobity, awesome sauceum. Okay. She has a 5-inch lace parting wig. There's no lace to cut on this girl. I have her in the color FF Amber. Okie dokes. And she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I really would like her in FF Warm Brown or FF Russet. I do have other wigs in those colors, so I'm loving her. Okay, this is giving me sort of like a Valentino is meeting Made Beauty's Kyla. Okay, so she is going to be a light yaki texture, so this is going to be a wig that you could wear pretty much no matter what naturally textured hair you have. Not that that's a rule, but if that's something you're looking for. She has 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable strap. She's got that 5-inch lace parting. I didn't pluck anything out of the part. I did lay her flat down because just from being in the package, she was sort of weird in this area, so I did put heat here. She still could stand a little bit more heat, but I got places to be. Okay, she's reading a little bit more shiny in the in the camera than she is in real life. She does have a really nice luster. What's this? She's not super snaggy, but she is going to want to snag a little bit because she's not like a full yaki. I did comb her out. She's probably about 22 inches long at the very longest. This is all the hair to the front, so it's a really nice density. It's not like too much hair. If you can see, this color is so stunning. It's got sort of like a 550, a 350. This is a number 2 root. The rooting goes all the way through. Yeah, so it's like a 550 and a 350 mix. It's gonna give me that copper situation. Let's look at it from the back. I love it. It almost gives you like a little bit of a highlight, but even though that it's in the red. Yeah, she's pretty long. She's probably 22 inches long. But again, she's not, let's look at the movement. She's not a crazy density, so I really like that. She does have these bangs. She did have baby hairs. I did try to set them down, but I kind of find that baby hairs that come with wigs are just a little bit too coarse to really lay down the way that I do. I'm not going to lay this down and glue it down or anything. So I just tucked them in, and I have my own baby hairs that I left out, so I'm fine with that. You could use them if you needed to or wanted to, but it's just not my preference. She wants to tangle just a tiny bit. Just keep on her. Yeah, if you like Viva or if you like Valentino, you'll love her. They're sisters, cousins, whatever. They're all the same family. They're all going to give you the same vibe. So I definitely think she's a winner if you like those 2 wigs. And yeah, that's what I have for you for Miss VIVIA. Yeah, VIVIA. Yeah, if you have VIVIA, let me see what she looks like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If you have VIVIA, please let me know down below. If there's another Freetress equal wig you would like me to review, check out my playlist first because I reviewed a lot of them, especially some of the older ones. But if there's a Freetress equal wig you would like me to review, please put that down below. If there's another lace parting wig you would like me to review, please put that down below too. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!